So, hi Barbie.
Hi.
Smiley.
Hi, Smiley.
So,
So what you want to do?
you know how much we love Justin Bieber, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
my
so
gosh.
in love with him.
Me too. I love him. He's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is kind of awkward.
It is. If only Justin Bieber was here.
Wouldn't it be so cool if he would pop up here?
Oh yeah. Imaginary Justin Bieber. Right here. Hey y'all. How you doing? I'm doing good. How are you? We're good.
So,
say hi, people, to imaginary Justin Bieber. Yeah.
so,
So
we don't know what to talk
we
about.
need Dr. Bieber because I'm like I cannot get Justin Bieber off.
I know.
Oh my gosh, she's like right here spinning around. Yeah.
So,
So I can move like Shakira. Yay! It's kind of weird though. People freak out when I do that. Shakira, Shakira. Yeah. I don't do it that well. So yeah. As you can see, we're chewing gum, y'all.
yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
It's yellow too. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm white. Oh wait, wrong way.
That's
Okay,
it.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'll just stand right here. Can you see me? Hello.
Let's be silly.
Peekaboo.
I see you. Peekaboo.
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 Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Wait.
I found
I
you.
see you.
You're right there. So yeah.
We don't know what to do. Sorry.
Yeah, we're just bored. That's how bored we are. You
Yeah.
can see that. Oh, look at my crazy socks. Aren't they like crazy?
Look at my crazy shoe. Mickey Mouse. Who likes Mickey Mouse?
I like Mickey Mouse. So yeah.
Want to see the gum that's so good?
Really bored. Yeah,
The
it's
gum.
magical gum.
gum.
Magical gum.
It's
The gum.
so
It's
awesome.
juicy, fruity. It's magical.
Yeah. Here's the garbage.
In the kitchen.
I'll be back. Just wait. One
Don't go. Don't go.
Don't go. Stay.
This is
Sit.
gonna
I
get
will follow you.
better.
I will find you and hurt you if you leave. Bye.
And there goes Barbie. And yeah, yeah. I need Dr. Bieber. And there comes my annoying little sister. Look what I'm about to do with my sister.
I'm back. Remember, if you left, I'm gonna find you.
Yay! And now she's completely dizzy.
Karina, otra vez.
Go watch SpongeBob, baby.
Quiero cereal.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm bored. I don't know what to do.
SpongeBob y cereal. Quiero cereal.
Yeah, my sister wants cereal. She'll just have to wait.
You're tall.
You're short.
Think.
No, I'm short.
Oh wait, you can't see me.
We're midgets now.
Look at they're cutting me.
Boo. Hi everybody. I'm bored. Bored. I'm gonna make my hair crazy. That's how I roll. Yeah. Well, we have to go. My sister wants cereal. Isn't she annoying? Hey, there's your little head. Look, she's
getting
coming.
It's getting closer.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna attack. Bye bye. She's crazy for cereal. Oh my gosh.
No,
So, anyways, as he's saying,
Look at these little feet. She's crazy for cereal. Maybe that's crazy for cereal. Back to Barbie. So yeah, we'll see you next time on Smiley and Barbie, the Bieber Fever girls. Bye.